Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, the 18th of March, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I hope it was a good trading day for you. It was a bit of a roller coaster there today, but we'll check it out and see. As we do get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. I wanted to start off, I'm thinking of adding a new segment here of looking at the economic reports that are coming up for next week. You guys can give me some notes down below in the comment section of your thoughts. Do we keep it or kill it? So we don't have anything on Monday. Tuesday, building permits I don't care about. I'm only looking at U.S. right now. Fed on Wednesday. It's the Fed fund rate, the economic projections, the statement, the press conference. Big day on Wednesday. We'll have lower volume in the morning. Unemployment comes up on Thursday. Not worried about Philly Fed. PMI is a big one. That comes out. Market is open. Home sales could be big, but I don't expect it to be. And then Powell speaking on Friday at 9 a.m., just shy of the market opening. So we've got a bit of stuff next week, particularly Wednesday, that we want to be cognizant of. All right, with that, I want to look at the S&P 500. So, I mean, there's a lot of lines on here. It's getting to become a little bit of a busy chart at this point. I'm going to really zoom it in. You can see that, way back here on my left is where we started our fib. We ended it up here. Excuse me. And then we have just continued to press forward from there. We ran into the all-time high just last week. This was the 8th. So that was Friday of last week. So this was our last update that we did together like this. And we put in a higher high. We came in with a higher low as we bounced, but we could not break to a newer higher high. So this breakdown here now has not given us a lower low yet, but we may be setting up for that, and that'll be a while since that has happened for us. So that is my concern there. I'm not worried yet. We're in a bullish neutral bias at this point. As long as we remain above the 21, which there's a confluence at the 5100 level, this dot dash line that's right there on our mega charts. We've got a good confluence at those. I don't put a lot of emphasis on the 100-point levels when it comes to confluence, but it's better than there being nothing there. That line still has a level of importance to it, but it is not the equivalent of Fibonacci. As far as strength, they're two different things, right? The fib line is much stronger. Okay, so we've got to watch that 5100 on the downside. We've got to watch that 21 moving average. And then if we do break through there, guys, we're looking at 50.57. The breakthrough that 21 moving average, that is the concern. All right, I don't know how else to say it. We ain't broke it since Jan 17 of this year, right? We've gotten close to it and skyrocketed. We broke through and we took off. We broke through and took off. Now the question again is, can we maintain here, get a bounce, give me a new all-time high, which is that 51.8926? Can we break through that level and start pushing up? And if we can, then we're looking at that 52.19 level right in here. Let's see. The next line is probably too far away, but oh, wait a second. Hold on. Let's go ahead and bring this out, right? So that's a -1. That's a -618. We're going to add a -809 because we need it. Come on, baby, light my fire. All right. So we've got 809. That's not what I was getting excited about. You see this brown line? This brown line is a midpoint, right? If I look at, to make this, I don't know if I'm going to make it any better or worse when I do this. Let's see. If I make this a weekly chart. Okay. You see this black line down here is 41.81? I'm going to really scrunch the chart down to where you really can't read anything. But watch. Check it out. See the brown line, right? It's got a confluence of our one level. So this 41.81 is right here. We've got this brown line at 54.73. And then all the way up here, we've got another black line at 67.65. That is a fib number. 41.81, this black line is a fib number. The brown line we're dealing with right now, the 54.73, is a midpoint. That is a critical level of importance. It is a fib line. It's a 50 percentile move from that 41.81, which was a catalyst for us, by the way, right? If we go back and look, we pushed down into it, and that was what we broke off of, that 41.81. So to be looking up ahead, not that far ahead, and to see this brown line, there's a lot of encouragement there. We'll see a lot of hesitation, I believe, at that level if we do make it up there now. I'm not sure if we will or not. But if we can make it up to that level, I think we're going to see a lot of hesitation there. Yes, it's the -1, which is a 100% move or a standard deviation, right? We already have this move from where we started the fib, 1 to 0, right? Or 1 to 100. Okay, well, this move from here to here, 0 to -1, they're the same equal distance. It's a 100% increase. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is where we have the confluence. So there's a lot of strength coming up there at that level. Definitely something to be considered, not concerned, to be knowledgeable of. Know that it's coming up and that it's there. All right, VIX, not a whole lot happened today. Yeah, we were down on the S&P. We do the number. We finished it down 33, right? Well, when we look at the VIX, we're up a penny. Ooh! We had such a big reaction yesterday that today was more muted in there. It's also could be that traders are looking at the S&P 500 and going, yeah, I'm just not sure we're there. I don't know if this is really a down move or not yet because we've done it so many times before. And we're going to continue to push that way now going forward. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all in our next update. Bye for now.